A prominent Adelaide businessman has told a district court trial he was bullied by two police officers who pulled him over in his luxury car for having tinted windows that were too dark. One of the policemen is on trial for aggravated assault.
Constable Norman Hoy has denied assaulting the driver of a Rolls-Royce he pulled over on Grenfell Street in September 2010. The driver is 38-year-old Yasser Shahin, who runs several South Australian businesses, including on-the-run petrol stations and Smoke Mart. Mr Shahin said when he asked Constable Hoy why he was being stopped, he replied, "You don't get to decide where or when I get to pull you over, okay?" He told the jury when he went to retrieve his key from the ignition, Constable Hoy grabbed him by the shoulder and threw him back against the car and later pushed him. Prosecutor Nick Healy told the jury it was unlikely to be disputed that Constable Hoy's actions were deliberate, but they had to decide if it amounted to unlawful force and an abuse of his power. Defence lawyer Mari Shaw asked Mr Shahin why he told the officers he knew more about the law than they did and they shouldn't tell him where to stand on the road. Mr Shahin said he wanted to tell them he knew his rights so they would be more careful and the situation wouldn't escalate. "I was consistently being shouted at and talked over. It was part of a pattern of pushing me around and bullying me."
The court heard Constable Hoy had a personal recording device that captured most of the incident, and that audio would be played to the jury in full during the course of the trial.
The court heard Mr Shahin's wife, mother and baby were also in the car when he was pulled over. The trial is expected to run for the rest of the week. Candice Marcus, ABC News, Adelaide.